What if I told you your life is not failing because of big mistakes, but because of tiny habits you repeat every single day? In Atomic Habits, James Clear reveals a powerful truth: success is not about massive change, it's about getting just 1% better every single day. Imagine improving just 1% every day. It sounds small, almost insignificant, but over time it compounds into something extraordinary. Now imagine the opposite: getting just 1% worse every day. Small delay, small distraction, slowly turning into failure you never saw coming. The scary part? You won't notice it today or tomorrow, but 6 months later your entire life looks different. Most people fail because they chase massive change. They want overnight success, instant wealth, fast transformation. But real winners focus on tiny improvements, small actions repeated consistently even when it feels useless. Think about money. You don't become rich overnight. You build wealth slowly, one smart decision at a time. And just like good habits compound, bad money habits destroy you silently. Unnecessary spending, emotional buying, ignoring investments. Your financial future is not decided by one big decision, it's built by daily habits: how you spend, save, and think about money. Investing is not about timing the market, it's about staying consistent even when results are slow, even when emotions are high. Habits are like seeds. You don't see results immediately, but underground something powerful is growing. Most people quit because they don't see results fast. They forget success has a delay. Like an ice cube in a cold room, nothing happens at first, but 1 degree change and suddenly everything shifts. That's the power of the 1% rule. It doesn't just change your results, it changes your identity. Stop saying and trying, start saying I am, because your habits shape your identity and your identity shapes your life. Rich mindset isn't built by motivation, it's built by routines, small actions repeated until they become automatic. One good habit leads to another. Save money, invest, grow wealth, build freedom. It's a chain reaction. But if you ignore your habits, nothing changes. Same income, same stress, same life year after year. Time doesn't care. It will either multiply your growth or multiply your mistakes. So start small. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Even 1% better is enough. Because 1 year from now you won't recognize your life if you stay consistent today. This is not just self-improvement, this is how wealth, discipline, and freedom are built. Remember, you don't need massive change, just 1% better every day. If this video added value in your life, hit that like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. And in the next episode, we'll uncover how habits are actually formed and how to control them.